I think Pinto art is really interesting. And a thing about is art installations and art galleries na I like is that there's always something changing. No, parang tayo. We're ever changing.
Oh,
It's
sponsored.
constant.
Diba?
Progress.
Sponsored tayo.
Growth.
Yes, growth.
Personal
Exactly.
growth.
Like the street.
Tapos like sa
These
art
three.
museums din, sa mga galleries, very
Yeah.
tutok sila sa ano.
Tutok? Tutok?
Sa ilalim
Very
ng
tutok?
rice. Tutok.
Ay, tama na
Like black
guys.
rice kasi.
So, kamusta tayo?
Kamusta tayo?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka Jack? Kamusta ka Kay? Kamusta ka Jane? Kamusta tayo? Hi, I'm Mark and this is the Friday Cleaners podcast. And together with me are...
Okay. Hi, I'm Jade.
It's Laika.
Ako si Jack.
And for this podcast episode, pag-uusapan natin ang mga sarili natin at kung ano ang mga insights natin at mga goals natin, mga gusto nating mangyari para sa podcast na to. Kasi 'di ba, kailangan natin ng direction. Direction.
Left or right?
Siguro,
Up, down.
middle.
Middle. Hindi pa ganun, pa ganun.
Ano ba? Okay, so start tayo sa akin. So, ako po si Mark. I'm 20 years old, turning 21 on October 18. So, yes, oldie na ako.
Onk. That's onk.
Ang na. So,
Sino una? Kaya pala commute, God. Just bleep.
okay. So, I'm Mark. I'm 20 years old na. And I'm from Jose Rizal University. Isa sa mga hobbies ko is writing, watching films, reading poems, stories, and novels. Tapos, I like listening to music. Tapos, anak po ako ni Ethel Kay. Yun lang. Ikaw naman, Kay.
Hi, my name is Kay. I am currently 19. Woo! Magta-20 na din. Next year pa. Eme lang. I like music. I like hosting. I like being out there. I'm very outgoing. I'm not shy.
Singer
I
natin
like
yan.
I like watching movies and I like being very madaldal. Yun lang. That's me.
And hi, I'm Jade, or you can call me Jaden.
Jade,
Miss Jade.
Miss Jade.
Pero, my hobbies are, ewan ka rin eh, ano ba talaga? Daldal.
Ano?
Tumawa,
Crafts, di ba?
Ukay?
baseball lang. Oh, yes.
Di ba
I
ano,
love ukay.
We're the Ukay girls.
Yes, ukay hobby. Ukay is our hobby.
Ay, mahilig ka rin
Pero-
mag-crafts, di ba?
Yes, exactly. So, if ipinaghalo yun, I often thrift mga damit, like kahit ano siya, and I would rework them into something that I would wear. Like for example, I find this top na I think maganda yung pattern, maganda yung color. I just don't like na it's structured in a certain way. I just rework them. Like ginagawa ko siyang skirt,
And
yung top.
that's our sustainable girly.
Yes.
Every thought
Sustainability.
daughter activity she does. Ibang thought ha. Thought.
Ay, iba yan. Thought.
Thought.
Here.
You know, every time nasa bus kami, lagi nasa gilid ng window, nakaganon siya. Parang nasa music video siya ni Taylor Swift.
So, ganyan pa yung pa ako.
Parang bahay niya yan.
So, ikaw naman, Lai, tell us about yourself.
Hello, I am Laika. I am the baby girl. I am 18, only turning 19 this year. I am from Antipolo. Ako ang, black sheep? Black sheep. Black din pala siya. Kasi they're from the far, far away places of Rizal. Yeah.
Kasama si Shrek.
Andun sa ano ni Shrek. Ano
Donkey. Ayan. So, I'm a big fan of movies, Filipino movies actually, because, support local, diba? Support local, guys, in every form, especially in the form of art. I'm very art inclined ever since I was a child. Ayun, I love quality time, actually. I love being with my friends, with my family.
With someone else.
I can, yes, with my loved ones.
She's the independent girly as well.
Yes, thanks. Yeah, I like being perceived like that, being seen as someone strong because I want to be strong for them also. I like being a role model, ayan, and someone they can lean on.
Parang lean on.
Ganyan. Ayan, strong, diba? Strong. Strong siya, Jack.
Dahil dyan, lapit na kay Jack.
At dahil dyan, Let's go to Jack.
Ako lang yung saktal. Okay lang siya.
Okay lang. Sorry, Jack.
Hello! Hello! It's Friday and ako si Jack. Wait, script? Hindi.
Wala talaga tayong
Hindi.
script,
Cut.
ate.
Hindi.
He's the most random person ever.
Okay na, Jack. Sige, tell us about yourself.
Ako
The
ay...
chosen off.
Ako ang the chosen one. Alin si Voldemort. Hindi.
Hindi.
Ako ay 20, serving 17. Ang mga hobbies ko ay still discovering. Pero ano, madalas na nandun lang ako sa kama ko, nagbabasa, nanonood.
Nagka-ML.
Medyo nakakapagod na yun eh.
Ay, nanonood ng Resident Evil.
Oo,
Gets
si
kita dyan.
Leon S. Kennedy.
Mahilig rin siya magbasa.
Alam nyo, I
Binabasa ko ng
like
mukha niya.
how Jack frames himself na sinabi niya yung mga ano niya, talents niya or hobbies niya is still discovering kasi we strive for progress and growth talaga.
And I like na he's focusing not just sa goal or like not just sa hobbies itself, but also the process of discovering what those are.
Like
Gusto
he's
ko lang
taking
talaga
it
mabuhay.
Yes.
one day at a time talaga.
Life
Slow
is
days.
a process.
Yan, slow
Slow
days. Slow mornings.
So mornings.
Oo. Medyo naiingit ako sa ano.
So nice.
So afternoon.
Medyo naiingit ako sa mga taong may na-achieve na. Pero ano, dadating din ako
Yes.
sa doon.
Optimism.
Sa far
It's
away.
not a race.
Far away. Which
It's
Shrek?
not a race, but I still take first place.
Lorraine!
It's not a race, but I still take first place.
So, before we officially move on from this, I want to note lang na everyone here is still young, we're still discovering and all of that. So, everything that will be stated in this podcast and for the upcoming and future episodes, they're all our personal opinions made by our views and values po. So, if you don't agree with something, don't take it personally.
At dahil we're still discovering, dilipat na tayo sa Discovery Channel!
Hindi na sa channel 2?
Ito na yung kangaroo.
At Gio, pero tayo yung binibidyohan.
Hi, JD, para sa nai.
Tayo pala yung exhibit.
Parang nasa kanto ka dyan ah. Nasa pinto tayo, wala tayo sa kanto. Okay, so moving on. Ano ba yung mga insights natin, yung mga gusto nating mangyari for our podcast? Siguro for this podcast, gusto ko na carefree lang tayo, like happy-happy lang, baklaan lang, ganyan.
Nakatingin sa akin.
Oo, kasi nga,
Yan tayo.
you're the mother.
Oo.
Like, call her mother, guys.
Mother like,
Mama.
kahit siya yung youngest dito.
Oo, totoo lang. Going back.
So yun nga.
Go
Tapos,
back.
ano ba yan, Jade? Yung identity rin natin, sana maano natin, like, kahit short lang yung podcast na to or mag-continue siya, yung identity natin, ma-build up siya, tapos yung growth natin, makita natin from the videos itself. And for the goals, siguro, makakonect tayo with other people outside this podcast to know na nandito kami. We will check up on you. So, yun lang. How about you, Kay?
I really want this to be a safe space, not only for us, but for people who are going through like the same thing we are going through. Kasi I found with social media, yeah, a lot of people are talking about mental health and all of that. Pero mostly there's a sort of glorification to it na, oh, I'm part of this people na Although gets ko naman kasi you find a sense of belonging knowing that you're with people who are going through the same thing as you. But I don't want it to just be a glorification na, oh, we have this thing, ganyan. I want it really to be a sort of reform for us na we are trying to get better and we are trying to get good. And at the same time, the identity of our podcast, I really want it, and for everyone who is watching, to just think of it as, you're our friend. And this is us as friends talking to each other about our lives and our problems and trying to improve. And I hope, as a viewer, you guys improve with us. So, yun.
Agreed.
Bakit?
Oh, Jade.
So yun nga, in the wise words of Lorraine, it ain't a race, but we still take first place. Pero yun nga, I want this podcast to be something that would remind you guys that ang buhay
Ay,
either
di
way.
Mali, Bini, mali.
Ay, di karera.
Yes.
Two different references.
Pero yun,
Crossover. Multiverse.
I want it to be like a reminder for people that life, it's not just about going or like achieving mismo, or like reaching the goals itself, but also the process. I want it to be something that would, yun nga, like what Kay said, be a safe place for you guys, for the viewers, not just for us. Kasi, honestly, I think I remember, unang usapan pa lang namin about this podcast, yun na rin yung pinaka-goal namin, is for people to feel safe with us. And para, just for people to know na they're not alone and that we can be there for them.
I like how you say yung process is dapat ma-document din, no? Kasi most ng people, I think, they only document the final step in those trials. Parang, if nag-fail sila, hindi nila i-document yon. If nag-succeed sila, dun lang nila i-document. And the process itself, like it diminishes their hard work. So, yun talaga yung important na yung process natin, nakikita natin, and nakikita natin yung growth natin from that. So, I like it. Ikaw naman, Lai.
Ayun, for me naman, I would like to circle around the sense of belonging that we would like to have here in our podcast and with you, our watchers. There's a thing called trauma bonding, and it's not that healthy, right? It's not that healthy. It happens and it connects people. Through our podcast, we'd like to share parts of our lives as well with you guys. I hope that you feel understood, that you feel seen. I hope you also get the part from us that you're trying to grow out of it or grow with it. We're just trying to be better people here. And in this podcast, we're hoping that, again, you feel safe and that you feel seen all throughout. What about you, Jack?
Me? Oh, me.
What about me?
So, ang pinaka-na-expect ko dito sa podcast na to, yung parang to reiterate, parang maging safe space and a place that someone could belong to. Something you can play in the background and still feel. Parang ganun.
Ayun, na hindi sila nasa background, kasama natin sila. Like, kunyar, 5 lang tayo dito, pero
Sampu
kasama
talaga
natin sila.
tayo.
Oo, marami tayo.
Hindi nyo lang kita.
Delusional tayo. Tama.
Ganun kasi yan eh. Fake it till you make it, guys.
Kami dinadamay ko.
Manifest it.
Ay, hindi. Belongingness,
Wow.
diba?
Nang-exclude ka na agad eh.
Sana nakikita
So,
niyo yung
thank you,
nakikita ko.
Jack, sa insight. Ano nakikita
Ayan na
mo?
naman siya. Nakikita
Random
na
talaga
naman
ni
siya.
Jack, guys.
Sabi namin sa inyo, guys, andito talaga kayo, okay?
Yung
Hindi kayo nasa
installation.
background.
Sana
Nakita kayo
nakikita
ni
nyo
Jack.
rin yung nakikita ni Jack.
Yung art installation kasi.
Kasi hindi namin makita.
Kita nyo. Kita nyo.
Ay, hindi nila
Yung
kita
art
yan, Jack.
installation.
Hindi nila makikita yun.
Nakikita nyo through me. So, describe ko na. Blue siya.
Okay, thank you, Jack, sa insight mo. So, ano naman tayo sa mga behind the scene, humor ng mga, anong ba nangyayari sa atin? Behind the scene, ano yung,
Direct
ano
pakat.
tayo under the camera? Hindi tayo
Tao
magkakat.
po.
You are unfiltered.
Third.
Okay.
At dahil Jack,
Unfiltered, hindi na ibibigay.
Bleep, bleep. Ano ba tayo behind the scene? Ano nangyayari? Kasi kanina.
behind the
Puksaan.
scene, edi nakatalikod. Behind
We're
the
so
scene.
stressed
Hindi
kanina.
talaga Jade.
Stress na stress tayo kanina. Ano ba nangyari kanina?
Naghahanap kami ng spot to film. And then commute gods. Sabi kasi mag-meet up sa certain place. Bleep! Iniba nila, hindi ko nabasa.
Girl, hindi. It was agreed on na talaga kagabi. She was just asleep. She was
Diba?
very antok na nung
2
time
minutes
na
after
yun.
ng last message niya.
I'm like doing this. Okay.
Nag-phone siya, bawaga na siya.
They're like,
Beautiful eyes
they're
na
like,
kasi
meet
siya."
up tayo sa billboard. Huh? Billiard?
Diba? Tusok-tusok.
Ang dami pumasok na
Shibuya
na
Crossing.
things. Tapos, yun lang yung meet up. Like, 4-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Yun lang.
Wobble. Doubtful.
We're not sponsored.
Pableep.
Sabi,
Buong podcast.
No, hindi na tayo ano yun. Kaibigan ko si Ronald.
Pero yun nga, humor natin behind the scenes. It's very
humor na.
kalog.
Kalog talaga.
Definitely, very
Yung mga
kalog.
nakikita niya sa
Kahit
Kanal. Baklaan.
Kahit ganito,
Ganon.
nagko-code switch, konyo-konyo ng minsan.
Minsan ba, Jaden?
Behind the scenes yun.
That's right.
We're on the scene, not behind. Doon na ako. Pero yun, I feel like knowing us, since magkakasama tayo araw-araw, humor
Yeah.
natin, magkakatugma talaga sila because lahat tayo,
Like,
kanan.
gets, diba? Gets.
We always get each other's
We
references.
resonate.
Resonate. We harmonize.
Resonate.
3, 2, 1.
Ang galing.
Guard pa kick out.
Yan ang baklaan. We put the harm in harmonize.
No, pati we're beyond this project and beyond this podcast, we really are a group of friends. So,
Yeah.
mas damdam natin yung love and care and humor natin mag-isa. Ay, mag-isa.
Love and
Isa-isa
care.
kasi.
Love,
Love and
and hate
care.
and care.
Love and
Ay,
hate
may
and
hate
care.
Nasa
Lagot.
middle yung hate.
May times kasi na
Oo nga,
Love
nasa
and care.
middle.
Love and care. Kahit
Diba?
minsan nagsasabi pa. Actually guys,
Saan
kaya
yun?
kanina
Kanina
merong
lang.
cut. It's because sinabunutan bigla ni Jack si Kay.
Totoo.
Sinabutuin ko din si,
Sorry,
si
guys.
Jade.
What the hell?
Miss Jade!
Sinabunutan niya yung buhok ni Kay, tapos sinabunutan niya yung lashes ko pag...
Ginilo kasi nila Boko eh. Wala tuloy akong suklay.
Saan?
Puksaan!
Ayan tayo. Yan kami araw-araw guys.
Yan, yan.
Sa-
True.
On a daily basis.
Also, yung sinabi ni Kay na since nasa iisang friend group tayo, alam din natin yung struggles ng isa't isa. So, yung struggles na may humor, yun talaga yung inaano
Ginagawa
natin.
natin ng joke eh. It's how we cope.
Yun
Dark
nga,
humor.
sabi ni Lai, trauma bonding.
May ganun
May
talaga.
ganun
eh.
talaga. And that's how we bond. Sana kayo din.
I really do hope this trauma bonding isn't just trauma bonding.
Yeah,
We're doing a reform. We're doing an inner
We're
change.
healing. We're healing.
Yeah.
Going forward.
I want our
Nahilig
bonding to
agad.
be because we're feeling each other. No?
Yeah, like
That's
we just see
really
your
what I want.
progress na lang din from what we say, what we do.
Oo, something kasi na ginagawa madalas tuwing nagta-trauma ban, yun lang, you stay there, you don't
Yeah,
move.
like you just talk
Nandun ka
about it, you
lang.
know? It's nice that we share advice and our other...
Ako talaga yung guys.
Yeah.
Grabe, lip sync assassin.
Pwede na sa drag den.
Diba,
DJ
nag-pop off ang ate.
DJ Jade.
Na pag-usapan natin yung trauma bonding.
Yun ang gagawin
Yun nga.
natin.
Yun ang gagawin natin
Traumatize
right now.
Hindi.
Mag-share
hindi
tayo
talaga.
ng mga, like, counting stories lang para sa isa't isa. Like, anong story ko, anong story ninyong lahat.
MMK? Ano story ko? Ito story mo.
Dear Charo. Ganon.
Dear Jomar.
Dear Jo Marie.
Siguro story ko, ako muna. Sa story ko, isa lang. Ano ba yan? Wala pa na.
Ka nang umiyak. Sa mundong kapal.
Ayan, sige.
Yan talaga. Alam mo yung mic natin, yan yung marinig.
Try not to hit it.
Nag-react din siya eh.
Naiyak yung ano.
It's called vibrato kasi.
Nag-react din yung langit, umulan bigla.
Okay, nag-sidetrack na talaga tayo, guys. But that's part of life. Ay, biglang gumanon.
Ang daming side quest
Vibrato
dapat.
kasi. Vibrato, it's part of life.
Siguro story ko na ano, relevant ngayon, I love walking so much. Walking while listening to music, tapos minsan while walking nanonood ako ng film.
Walking
Weird
na lang
siya,
kasi ano,
pero
wala nang pamasahe.
So-
kasi 'di ba, nasa daanan ako tapos I was sidetracked by my phone, parang ganun. Pero every time na I get the chance to self-time ganun, naglalakad ako around my neighborhood. Tapos minsan nga pupunta pa ako sa ibang city. Mabot sa ganung
Nabar mo siya si Ay dala sa alas.
Oo, yung tanging ina, yung inaano yung lata.
Oo, di ba?
Tapos, yun, siguro ano ba yan, Lai?
Ini-imagine ko si Mark gano'n. Tapos may lata siya ng century tuna. Sinisipa-sipa.
Or kaya ano siya, Ate Kimi, Ate Kimi.
Ate Kimi. Okay. Tama na. Ano ba yun?
Wala ba siya?
Sumuksa tayo.
Walking. Yung paglalakad ko, medyo, ano siya, habang nakikinig ako ng music, nanonood ako ng film, ano naman, safe naman yung mga nilalakaran kong neighborhood and secured siya.
Yes.
So, yun for me is yung, the way I spend time with myself and the way I
Ang dami
take
ka
care
na
of
nagsasalita
myself.
si Mark.
Dami yung Eme.
Daming eke.
Yun naman, Kay. Story, parang ganon. Huwag mo kami paiyakin na.
Story of my life.
Searching for the life. For me. Marian Rivera. Sorrowing my soul.
Buti maganda siya.
Ikaw rin, Jay. Buti maganda ka.
Ano?
Ayun, si Kay
Nung bata ako, hindi ako nakakapaglakad.
Ha?
So, first time yun kanina?
Hindi. Nung bata ako, nilalagay pa ako sa parang gano'n, no?
Iisip ko parang ano,
Parang ganyan yung ano ko, sibling ko.
iisip ko ganito.
Kasi,
Ilan taon ka?
ano, fun fact lang.
3 years old.
3 years old.
Oh, what? I thought you were kidding na ano.
I'm kidding nga, girl.
Meron akong
So,
ano,
what's the
ganyan
truth?
yung sibling ko, yung third sibling ko. Kasi panganay ako, so sa apat, yung tatlo, ako nagturo sa kanila
Eldest
maglakad. Kasi,
Kasama
nung
siya.
1 year old pa lang ako
Sa uniform mo.
nakakalakad na ako. So alam niyo na kung bakit lagi ako naglalakad. 1 year old pa lang ako nakakalakad na ako.
1-year-old pa lang siya, lumalabas na siya.
Lumalabas na ako.
Madaling araw.
Uy, there's a
umaga,
story sa neighborhood namin na kahit 3 years old ako noon, marunong na ako bumili sa tindahan.
Ay, wait.
Oo.
Ang cute na.
Marunong na ako bumili doon sa tindahan. And
You know the Japanese show with the little kids?
yung inuutusan.
Yeah.
Minamandohan.
Oo. Meron pa ngang mga nagtitinda doon na dati kong binibilhan nung bata pa ako kasi I was in the same neighborhood na pinag-growan ko nung bata ako. Lumipat lang kami. Tapos bumalik kami. Tapos naaalala nila ako na, oh my God, ang laki ko na raw. Ganon, ganon.
Sila na rin nagpalala sa'yo.
Dami mo pa rin alam.
So, balik na tayo kay Kay.
On a serious note na, my story, siguro right now, this is like, when I got into college, I'm like at the most
Yeah.
peak of myself. Peak of
That's
myself!
great.
I feel like I really found my people kasi when I was in senior high school, I didn't want to go to ABM. I wanted to go to Humes. Pero kasi,
Oh, I see it.
I thought too many people were in Humes na. And I'm like, am I really gonna enjoy Humes?
Overrated daw kasi. Niche kasi to
No,
eh.
my Humes kasi, yung Humes sa school namin, many people went into Humes kasi hindi sila tinanggap sa STEM. May minimum grade requirement for STEM. So I was like, I don't want to
So
be with
special
people who are not enjoying what they want to do. Kasi gusto talaga nila mag-STEM, no choice sila nag-Humes. So parang I felt na people who are also in Humes, they might not want to be there. And I don't want to be with people who are unmotivated in
I
what
get
they're
that.
Yeah.
currently doing.
I get
So
that.
sabi ko, okay, mag-ABM ako, I'm interested in business, I'm interested in marketing. Okay na. No to accountancy pala. Ayoko talaga. No to math. Basta yon sa business and marketing ako. Tapos, I met some people there na were really nice, pero I didn't really click with them. Tapos, ever since I moved into comms and, lived my college life, I'm like so happy now kasi from being with people I didn't really click with to like being with people who understand me. It's such a great thing. So, yon, that's my story for now.
I love how you
It's nice.
survived. Na-survive niya yung ABM.
The strength.
For 2 years, ha? For 2 years.
2 years, tiniis niya yung
Nangungopia.
strand na ayaw niya.
Hindi.
Yung ngopya ng accountancy.
Hindi. Yeah, in
Ikaw,
comms
Miss
na,
Life.
very, very passionate people.
Yeah. I want
That's
to be
something
with
very
people who
admirable.
want to do what they do. Kasi if they don't, parang they aren't giving their 100% and that's gonna be draining if I'm with those types of people.
Oo, alam niya yung unmotivation na, yung mga hindi motivated people na
Yeah,
you
they're gonna
can't
drag you
really help
down.
those who don't want to be helped.
Yeah,
Even
that's true.
you feel na kailangan nila ng help.
Kasi they'll take it for granted and they'll assume it as as a norm na oh, it's okay if I don't do this, someone else will do it for me.
Yeah, it's not healthy, no?
So, ikaw naman, Jade. Story mo. What's your
Story of my life, searching for it.
DJ, so...
Story.
IG story?
IG
Curated?
story. Actually, 5 minutes. Actually, no, make it 10. Ayusin ko lang yung music.
Gets. Gets.
Ganun.
Laging nakaganon, no?
Diba?
Lahat kami ganun eh. I-check. Kailangan ng mga 5 minutes 5 to 10 minutes bago makakuha ng right song.
Yeah,
for
hindi
ano.
hindi kasi pwede sa amin yung
saktong-sakto.
hindi pwede yung isang
Hawak
isang
mo,
click lang eh.
No.
Kailangan gaganunin pa namin
Yes,
yung
that.
Mag-ano pa tayo ng Spotify.
No
Okay,
tayo sa yung automatic na. May automatic
Tapos,
song kasi.
may consultation tayo with each other. I love that.
Yeah, it's
Oy, okay ba tong song na to? Okay ba to?
Bagay ba? Bagay ba?
Ay, kaya kahit yung placement ng album cover, yung cover art, guys, parang okay ba dito or lipat ko dito?
Oo.
Nagtatanungan talaga yun.
Ang arte
Diba?
talaga.
We get each other, guys.
Pero yun, speaking of arte, I'm someone who's very maarte, pero not in a way na parang nakaka-affect sa ibang tao. I mean, Maybe.
Maybe.
Sa magulang ko. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Dad.
Gets. Mine too. Sorry.
Ano yan? Maria, let's go, Maria!
Di ba Natalia yun? Natalia! Ayaw! Natalia! Pero yun. That's one thing about me talaga. It takes like over an hour and a half. Or like around an hour and a half for me to get
Girlhood.
actually ready. Pero, wala. I just really like taking my time with things.
An
I
hour,
don't like
but it's
rushing
hours.
myself with anything. And, yun. And sa kakagayan ko, with my thought daughter moments, naiisip ko na,
Thoughtful
it's
daughter.
nice na kakaganon ko. Like, I take my time talaga with like little things, little bits in my day. Na-apply ko siya throughout my actual life. Like, I don't rush things, I don't rush anything with myself. Kasi, yun nga, if ni-rush ka, edi it's just gonna feel like it's pilit. Parang,
Or
ginawa ko lang to.
unfinished.
Basta matapos lang.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like, it's really nice that if I really rushed anything, I don't think na I'll be getting anywhere talaga in life.
You know, gusto kong ma-emulate, makuha sa'yo yung...
Emulate?
Emulate talaga. Makuha ko sa'yo yung ganong mindset kasi sa sobrang objective at organized kong tao, like, minsan talaga I woke up as early as 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. para makapag-ready ng ganong katagal.
Ako pag ready. Minsan nga, di ba nga once, nung the year 2026, nagising ka ng 4 a.m.
Tapos nagkasakit siya. Girl, I was like,
Nagising siya ng 4 a.m. just to watch the fashion
Know your
show
priorities.
live.
Grabe.
Ate, tas
low-key
may
I get
klase
it,
pa
but
tayo
girl,
after.
damn.
I have, kasi, organized, sobrang organized ko na doon ko yung overcompensate yung sarili ko na,
Yeah.
I have to do great, kailangan ko maging organized.
Mark
para
type A.
Para hindi ako mag-trip, hindi ko ma-disappoint yung mga tao sa paligid ko. So, ganun talaga yung naano ko. I want to get that mindset from you. Sana.
Pero yun, like what he said nga.
What is it?
What he said.
What she said?
He's very, type A talaga. Kaya siya yung...
It's true.
He's
Siya
type A.
Siya lang yung
We're
type
all
A sa amin.
Lahat kami.
Type
Blood
B.
type?
Type daddy.
Type bading.
Ayun lang. I'm sorry. Ay, hindi
oo
pala.
nga pala.
Type
Sorry,
daddy.
Kay. Type
Bakit
baddie.
isla?
Sorry,
Type-
Kay. Bakit isla?
Bakit isla?
May boy is friend.
Okay na.
So, is
ano
we?
ulit sabihin mo, Jade?
Ano nga ulit yun?
Ito.
What
Oo.
she said.
Ay, okay. So, yun nga. So, yun. It does have, like, may mga negative na aspects na siya. Aspects? Pero may negative points na siya. Kasi, like, sometimes nalilate ako. Oops.
Sometimes, all the
She's
time, guys.
fashionably late.
Yes.
Yes.
She likes to, go absent if
Hindi
if
naman
she's already
absent.
running
Hindi naman
late.
absent, late.
Hindi, late.
No, sometimes she does go absent. Tapos papasok
Diba?
siyang ganda
Why you
ng fit.
exposing her like
Inaano
that?
mo siya.
Don't ask me like that. Pwede ba pa-mute?
Grabe, nilalagdag mo yan.
Okay na.
Kala ko ba friends tayo dito, ah? Ano may kalaban?
Buksan.
Nilalaglag ka din yun sa puan.
I get it though. Sobrang slay ng outfits ni Jaden.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Like
like,
fashion girl.
Ikaw, like, what's your
Kamusta
story?
tayo?
Oh,
Story
tell a
time,
story. Hindi siya funny, guys. Hindi talaga siya funny.
Snake in my
Prepare mo
boot.
yan.
Hindi talaga siya funny. Ba't kayo tumawa?
Sorry,
I love
mababaw.
Toy Story.
Yeah, me too. There's gonna be
Ayun, nilalaglag na talaga.
there's gonna be a new movie. That's
Yeah,
gonna be
nilalaglag
released,
niya kasi ako
actually.
kanina.
It's sponsored by,
Kinorma siya.
Secret.
Okay na.
Ayan. A story I can share. Hala baka maging rant siya. Wow, rant.
Okay lang.
Trauma
kasi-
bonding.
Trauma bonding.
Yeah, exactly.
Safe
I don't...
Trauma bonding but we grow.
My bro.
We grow.
Let's not call it trauma bonding. Let's call it reform. Reform. Kasi you're gonna give us a story and we're gonna reform together. We're gonna be better.
Be better.
More syllables.
Yes. Re is form.
Re is form.
Re is form.
It's us.
It's us.
Okay. Guys, something I really talaga. I don't want to say hate. Hate is a heavy word for me. Something I really dislike is being put on a pedestal. Ano yan?
Pedestal.
Barbie.
Pedestal.
Barbie.
Barbie.
Barbie na naka-pedestal.
Ano yun?
Yung umiikot.
Naka-display.
Pedestal. Di ba yun yung tumatawid? Pedestal.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Fencing.
Cut, magsasabunutan muna.
Tama. Okay.
Ayun, I don't like, in simpler words, I don't like when people expect too much from me. Because, ayun, to connect na lang din, I'm a growing person. We all are, right? Yeah. And all my life, I've been expected to be like, the smart kid, ganun. Kasi ganun daw itsura ko, ganun daw yung vibes ko. Saan yun naman nakuha yun? Kasi ba naka-glasses ako, ganun? Yun lang.
Pressure dahil sa salamin.
Hala, sige, wag na, wag na.
Tanggalin
Ayun, parang,
natin.
ganun daw kasi yung vibes na ini-emit. Emit.
I love
Dati
na ako
ng
lang
bata.
din nakasalamin sa atin, no?
Sorry.
O, tanggalin na natin.
Sorry if you're legally blind like that.
Ay, sorry. Sige na, sige
Legally
Legally
blind.
blind. Ayun. Parang,
Wala akong makita.
ayun. Legally blind nga. Naka-affect kasi siya talaga nung lumaki na ako. Until now, actually, I still don't like that. Parang, as much as I say that I don't want to care about what people think, or like, I really don't, there's this, it still nudges a part of my heart. And it makes me feel so heavy that I'm not what people expect me to be. Pero it's lighter naman na now. Mas natatanggap ko na siya, and I feel secure on most days. And, ayun, natutunan ko naman maging secure because I learned to affirm myself. Guys, actually, pag, you're still the type that's insecure, ganon, affirmations help, I promise. At first, it felt a little, like, cringy, ganon. You're talking to yourself in the mirror.
Like yung mirror work.
Yeah. Mirror work.
Mirror work.
Ayun. Pero it helps, I swear.
It really does.
Or like,
Words have power talaga.
Yeah.
Mas sabi mo to yourself.
Yeah.
So, hindi mo
Narinig yung
namamala na
universe.
you're actually applying it. Na.
yeah. That's why I'm a manifestation girly, guys. There's different ways of manifestation naman, or in kung ano man pinapaniwalaan mo na way, it works. I swear. Like, you put the words to life. Basta may action ka din, di ba? That really helps, I promise.
Kung ano din nabas
I
mo,
really
ayun din
like
dadating
that
sa'yo.
you framed
Yeah.
it in a way na kasi most people, they have a problem with words in a negative way. It's because
Yeah.
they're being given negative words.
Yeah.
And I like how you give light to the fact that even though we say something so positive, sometimes even the positive things can get pressuring and can hurt people.
It's
So,
true, it's true.
truly be careful of the words talaga na you say to people. Kasi,
Yeah.
people having low expectations of you can hurt, and then at the same time, people having high expectations can hurt also. So,
Yeah.
that's a good thing you brought up.
Tsaka it's a nice thing din na as a reminder sa audience natin. Yung mga yun. Ay, yung mga nakikita ni Jack sa banda. It's nice reminder na you don't always have to prove yourself.
Yeah.
You don't
You
always
can
have
go
to...
at your own pace.
Ikaw naman, Jack. Story, any story.
Ang ganda ng clouds.
Yeah, sobrang ganda nga. Kanina pa ako tingin ng
They're
tingin.
like cartoon.
Talaga, no? Ang sarap, ano?
Uy, mukhang elephant yun. If gawa nun kayo.
Nakikita
ba yan?
talaga nila.
Hindi ko kita.
Ito ba yung dinosaur? Ayun, yung buong yan.
Ay, oo.
Dinosaur na may
Nakikita
head
ko
ng
yung
dragon.
dinosaur.
Ano ba ito mga...
Yung
Okay,
elephant hindi.
guys.
Nanadis
Lock
siya.
in.
There's a shark. Okay, go. Lock in na talaga.
Ito na Jack. Jack,
Little
ikaw
friend
talaga
ko
mag-lock
to.
in Jack.
Wait. Ano yung tanong?
Stories
What's the story you want to share?
Story of my life. Ano?
Something that makes a big part of who you are.
Be who you are for your pride.
I love the harmonization.
I love
It's harming me.
Sorry, the ears.
Ano bang...
Fifth Harmony.
Barden Bella.
Bakit topic na?
Jamil Jabelo.
Ate, go na talaga. And we're back. Ay, pag
Back.
Hindi.
Back again.
Yung kanina. Manananggal. Twice.
Hindi
Pag
na twice.
Ibis na pag ganun. Pag ganun.
Can't find my waist.
Can't find it either.
Balik tayo kay
Waistline
Jack.
check.
Jack.
We had a short
Yes.
The
cut,
waistline
guys.
check, story check naman.
IG story?
Ate, kanina pa talaga.
Mamaya pa.
Yes.
So, anong story mo? Something you want to share with us, the audience.
Share? Madamot
Yung
ako
kanina,
eh.
you were...
Repost?
kanina you were talking about kasi yung big move mo from architecture to communication art. So, ano yung learnings mo dun? What did you learn about yourself?
What did I learn about myself?
I think what you experienced.
something else na. Ay, ano kasi, tawag dito, yung shift ko, dahil sobrang,
Ano?
Drastic. Parang,
sobrang nadidepress na ako sa pagdodrawing araw-araw. Parang, nawala na yung spark.
yung passion.
Pero may passion ka na for it. Did you?
Siguro.
Pero bakit ka nga ba nag-arty? Is it something...
Kasi wala talaga akong maisip na path. Parang path it.
Wala siyang maisip na path, he took the hardest one.
Yeah.
You know, yung architecture is one of the most hardest programs.
Yeah.
And it's something
Nakikita
na...
siya ng iba as like something so easy.
But it's not. It's really
Very
not.
meticulous kasi yun, di ba? Like yung mga plates niyo, dapat intricate yung details at kuwang mo.
Kung nagkamali ka,
common
mababa yung
misconception
big
is puro drawing lang yan.
Yeah, it's
Sukat-sukat
not
lang.
like that at all.
Very,
It's very complicated.
There's
Like-
physics involved.
yeah, physics and art.
So we
Pinagsabay.
feel you, Jack. So ano nga ba yung naging mo? Transition
feeling?
mo. Transition mo sa arty from comms.
What did you learn about
Ay,
yourself?
chill lang.
Chill lang.
Eme
Do
lang,
you like, being erect?
Do you? Ay, joke.
Ate, hindi talaga kami yun. Ikaw talaga yung ireg.
Ha? Like parang okay lang. Kasi nung first sem, all around the world ako. Like, dinagay ako sa mga iba't ibang mga program, ang dami ko nakilala.
Yeah.
So
Pati
you're
yung mga-
exposed to many different kinds of people.
Exposed.
talaga. Exposed. Okay, Virgo, keep going.
Ay, go. Wait lang, inantok na ako.
Yan siya.
Medyo
as
mahangin
open.
kasi.
May kama dun. Go na. There ka.
Hindi niyo nararamdaman yung hangin, kaya rinaramdaman ko na para sa inyo.
Ay,
So, ayun.
Shamay?
I hate is a strong word. So, I hate Arky.
ayun lang. Ayun.
Yun lang. Yung sabi ni Jack na from Arky na laging parang araw-araw daw nagdo-drawing na lang siya.
Layo pa ng commute.
Oo.
Mas
I
draining
feel like you got
yun.
really burned out, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Like,
Bigat pa ng
imagine
dala
mo,
ko.
pagod ka sa mga schoolworks mo, yung mga ina-assign sa'yo, tapos yun nga yung mga dala mo,
Yeah.
and then you still have to go on
Home.
public transport.
Hindi ko na eh.
Yeah,
Dahil rin
tapos
sa...
pag uwi mo,
Good.
Jack, mag-urong ka.
Hindi.
Diba?
Hindi.
You
Mabait
still
sa akin
have
nun eh.
personal things to attend to.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tapos tawag dito,
What's that?
kasi nawala yung ko, yung train of thought ko. Wait, ito.
Kinuha.
Ayan, kinain niya yung
Ayan na,
chain.
baka maalala mo na.
Wait lang, magda-digest pa.
May,
Next.
May buffer pa.
Next person.
Wala na tayo, ikaw na
Yan
talaga.
talaga,
lang.
ikaw na
Yan.
talaga, ate.
Ano, masaya naman ba sa comms?
Yes, very masaya. Like
At least,
medyo
diba?
daunting lang yan. Production.
Pero
Magastos.
that's what we kasi. Yun nga.
That's our specialty.
We strive to
our
do the
forte.
best.
Actually, guys, magpapakatotoo na kami. Nag-podcast talaga kami para ma-monetize to tapos ma-fund yung production. Hindi, guys.
Totoo.
You know, guys, when we talked to our
Copyright
teacher, she said, sobrang OA daw nung gawa namin,
Hindi
ganun.
mo
Sobrang,
Hindi naman.
sobrang bongga.
Yes, bongga.
Ano,
In a
yun
positive
talaga.
way.
Let's see me.
And she was like, you guys can just do 2 episodes. No, we want to strive for our best talaga.
Yes.
Pwede daw
And
gamitin
what's
for
nice about that is that we're going for our best na magkakasama tayo.
Yeah.
So,
And,
talagang daman natin yung company and that we're not alone.
Yeah, and
Just
we
as
know
much
we
as we
enjoy,
want you guys to feel
right?
that.
We're all in this
Together.
We're all in this together.
So ikaw, kamusta ka?